Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Chris Digdon with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, June 16, 2009. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority has permitted a broker-dealer, Castor Pollux Securities, to acquire Bernard Madoff's securities trading operations. According to the Wall Street Journal, Castor had offered a purchase price of $25.5 million in April. The sale of the Bernard L. Madoff investment securities part of the firm is expected to be completed this week. Proceeds will eventually be distributed to victims of Madoff's multi-billion-dollar Ponzi scheme. Staying with hedge fund news, Citadel Investment Group is starting a fund which will earn performance fees even after it loses money. According to Financial News, the hedge fund manager is looking to charge fees even when its portfolio is under its high watermark. Citadel will charge lower fees of 12.5%, which will remain unchanged until the managers make 250% of past losses. In more hedge fund news, BC Partners and Electra Partners are planning to put in 100 million euros in the new entity to be formed by the merger of Boilermakers Baxi and De Dietrich Remia. According to the Financial Times, the UK's Baxi, which is owned by the private equity firms, is close to a 1.7 billion euro merger with its smaller Dutch rival. The deal, if blocked, could lead to a failure of Baxi repaying its 522 million euros of debt, maturing between now and 2014. In another hedge fund news, private equity firm TPG will sell its majority stake in Shenzhen Development Bank to Ping An Insurance. According to the Wall Street Journal, the Chinese insurer will buy about $1.6 billion of new shares issued by SDB in a private placement. Under the deal, TPG, which is selling its 17% SDB stake, has the choice of receiving payment in cash or a 3.9% stake in Ping An. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.